All right, Dave, thank you. It's 9:02 now, and in a case that epitomizes wrong place at the wrong time, 3 Polk County teenagers are now facing murder charges. And Fox 13's Alcides Segui is here with more. Good morning, Alcides.
Good morning, Laura. Investigators say 4 Bay Area teens made the wrong decision when they tried breaking into a Polk County house. The homeowner had a gun and shot and killed a 15-year-old boy. And there's more. Florida law states if a suspect is killed while a felony is being committed, his accomplices can be charged with his murder, which means these kids are now facing felony murder charges. It's an attempted burglary that forever changed the lives of 4 Bay Area teens. Investigators say 15-year-old Otilio Rubio and 16-year-old William Murphy were trying to break into this house when the homeowner, Jose Aponte, grabbed a gun and shot both teens. Murphy in the stomach, Rubio in the head.
What's your emergency?
Someone broke into my house and I shot him.
Okay, you say you shot him? Where are they at now?
Huh?
Where are they at?
I ran away. One's still there.
Polk County Sheriff Grady Judd says the shooting was justified. Thursday, Rubio was pronounced dead. Detectives say Austin Clements and Zachary Garcia were behind a fence waiting for the other 2 kids to bring out the stolen goods.
My grandson, Austin Clement, is a very well-mannered child. And I don't know why the boys will be boys, I guess. And it's his first time ever been in trouble, and they shouldn't do nothing.
Now all 3 teenagers who have no criminal record before this incident have been charged with felony murder.
We don't know how that relationship occurred, but if there's ever a classic example of how people will get you in trouble, this is it.
William Murphy, Zachary Garcia, and Austin Clements are now held in the Juvenile Detention Center. During the police investigation, detectives found cocaine and crack inside the house. The homeowner, Jose Aponte, is now charged with drug possession. Russell, back to you.
Alcides, thank you. And we want to know more about these charges and this Florida law that is behind it. Here to explain it is Matt Englett. He is a former prosecutor, and he is a managing partner of the KEL law firm. Good to see you. Thanks for coming in.
Well, thanks for having me.
Good to have you here. All right. A lot of us didn't know about this, didn't know such a thing existed. And what we're talking about is these 3 teenagers could be charged, have been charged with murder in the death of their friend. So they're like his accomplices, and they're charged with murder. Explain this to me.
Absolutely. In the state of Florida, they have what's called felony murder. That means if you're committing a felony, and it has to be a felony that's enumerated in the statute, but if you're committing one of those felonies, and this certainly is one, home invasion, and somebody dies as a result of it, doesn't even have to have anything to do with what you're doing, doesn't have to be a result of any of the actions you take, but if someone dies, they can charge you with felony murder. In this particular instance, it's going to be a 2nd-degree felony murder charge if the young man dies.
And apparently he has died.
Oh, he has died.
Okay. Right, he has died. So, does it matter that they're teenagers?
Yes, the penalty, if they charge them, they have the option of charging them as adults, but if they're charged as juveniles, the penalty will not be as severe. So it's still the same charge, just different penalties.
We've got to go because you're going to stick around and talk about something else in a while. But you said even in this case, this charge can stick even if a police officer is driving to the scene of something and is killed somehow in getting there, it would still be the same charge?
Yes, same charge. So even if the police officer were responding to this call and somehow got into a car accident and was killed, they could be charged for felony murder just based on that alone.
Matt, thank you. Matt Englett with us this morning. And we have big legal news about the gay adoption this week in Florida, and we're going to chat with you about that in just a little while. Matt Englett.